everybody, happy Wednesday. Hope you're having a good day. So here is what you need to get done in US Studies today. As always, make sure that you do your warm-up. The warm-up question today is, how safe would you have felt working in one of the factories? And to explain your answer. Remember, warm-ups are tied to your attendance, so if you do not complete the warm-up, you will be marked absent. After that, you're going to complete the role play reflection. Our learning target today is I can write a paragraph from my personal perspective answering the question, should kids be allowed to work? So we're going to complete our role play reflection from our personal perspective. So next, you'll open up the child labor role play reflection. When you open that up, you'll come to a set of slides that looks like this. It says role play reflection, directions. Following the guides on the next slides, write a paragraph responding to the following question. Should kids be allowed to work? Things to keep in mind when you are completing this assignment. Number one is this is your personal perspective, not your role. So you're writing from your own opinion, your own perspective, not your role anymore. Number two, be sure to provide specific pieces of evidence. And number three, if you have any questions and you didn't come to live class today, send me an email or Schoology message, or send your teacher an email or Schoology message if you have questions or need assistance. So this next slide reminds us how to write a paragraph. Just to pay attention to this, you do not need to do anything on this page. This is just a reminder of the parts of a paragraph. So like our hamburger method, our top bun is our topic sentence. That tells the reader what your topic or your claim is. That should be one sentence. The middle part, the meat and the toppings, that's where our evidence is. So you'll have three pieces of evidence that are explaining or supporting your topic sentence. And then the last one is the conclusion sentence. So it says, wrap it up, tell them what you want them to remember about your topic, right? Again, this is just a reminder of all the parts you need to include when you write your paragraph. Then you'll move on to this page, and it says the question is, should kids be allowed to work? It says, answer this question in paragraph form. This is your personal opinion. So you'd start with the topic sentence. It says, turn the question into a statement. So let's say that you think kids should be allowed to work. Then you would type, I think kids should be allowed to work, period. Then you would give me three pieces of evidence as to why you think they should be allowed to work. And then you'd wrap it up with your concluding sentence. So it says, to conclude, all kids should be able to work. So remember, our concluding sentence is just like our topic sentence. We just word it a little differently. Okay? Let's pretend you think that they should not be allowed to work. So it says, I think kids should, and then I would add, not be allowed to work. Then I'm going to give three reasons as to why they should not be allowed to work. Three pieces of evidence from what I've learned from this role play as to why they should not be allowed to work. Then it says, to conclude, kids should not be working. So remember, our concluding sentence, just like our topic sentence, we just reword it a little differently. The most important thing to remember is that if your topic sentence says they should work, then your evidence needs to tell me why they should work. If your topic sentence says they should not work, then your evidence needs to tell me why they should not work. Once you've filled out all of these boxes, then you're going to take this information and you'll turn it into a paragraph. So you would start with your topic sentence. I think kids should be allowed to work, or kids should not be allowed to work. And then you would start with your evidence. So one reason, blah, 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 blah. And then you'd end it all with your concluding sentence. All right, so right here it gives you a reminder. You start with your topic sentence, then you type up your three pieces of evidence, and then you end with your concluding sentence. When you are done, make sure that you submit your assignment. Do not forget to submit your assignment. And then also remember, this is your personal opinion, your personal perspective. You are writing with your own words. You're not Googling or copy and pasting. It's your own words. All right? Hope you have a great rest of your day.